Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to assign hotkeys on your ACER Nitro XZ273U. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. So go to the OSD. Now here, let's scroll down to System, and here we will have the hotkey assignments. So here we have the two hotkeys. Basically, these are shortcuts. You guys can choose modes, volume, gamma, contrast, and much more. I always choose the first one as modes and the second one as either brightness or volume. So we just click OK on one, and as you guys can see, here you will have it. Now here we have the volume, is the shortcut right here, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.